it was well known before now that the organization exists solely to deliver a hatchet job. IAGA's ultimate delivery is to cast aspersion on the conduct of the elections, undermine its credibility, and nod Nigeria closer to chaos. A secondary goal of this questionable group is to manufacture evidence against the security and military establishments in Nigeria so that they will be under pressure and unable to effectively contain the violence that the opposition PDP is orchestrating to force its declaration as the winners of the poll. This explains why the group manufactured lies about observers being arrested and detained in Kaduna and Yobe without specifying the details of the infraction that necessitated the security measures. For avoidance of doubt, security agencies were compelled to screen out fake observers that were being used for vote buying, voter intimidation, and as couriers between dubious politicians and a few compromised electoral officers. It also made the allegation that voters were prevented from accessing polling units to exercise their right, when in reality, security operatives merely ensured that persons without PVC were not allowed access to voting areas as part of preemptive measure to forestall ballot snatching and undue influencing of voters by hired thugs that were out to force people to vote alongside the wishes of certain candidates. Had IAGA Africa bothered to make legitimate inquiries as opposed to putting on an air of belligerence against state officials while belittling other election observers, it would have been wiser to the reality of the foregoing. It, however, persisted in its predetermined mission and denied itself of the benefit of enlightenment. Its ignorance of this development was responsible for its error in progressing in error by publishing lies and facts. But we doubt that IAGA Africa would have acted differently even when given the benefit of accurate information. Our assertion is based on what we have since discovered, that this group is one of those on the payroll of the opposition, with the sole aim of preventing or perverting Nigeria's electoral system against the will of the people. Evidence of its being in bed with the PDP abound in the many controversial stand it took against the conduct of the election right from inception. We also found that this group, IAGA, is an organization that imported illegal aliens into the country for the purpose of carrying out its hatchet job. The apprehension of some of the illegal aliens was brought into the country is what is described as arrested and detention of election observer. We wonder how person that did not meet the relevant accreditation criteria and also circumvented immigration requirements will expect to get away with such infraction without being held to account.